Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your home. Today we will continue our chapter number 5 of Human Geography, Primary Activities. In this chapter, our today's topic is the plantation agriculture. The main areas of plantation agriculture are tropical and subtropical parts of Asia. So we already familiar with the tropical or subtropical region of the earth. Tropical area between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and subtropical area Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. It means 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. That region is the tropical region, and 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north is the subtropical, and 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south is the subtropical area. So plantation agriculture are tropical and subtropical part of Asia, Africa, South America and Central America. It is a commercial agriculture in which crops like tea, coffee, cocoa, rubber, cotton, oil palm, sugar cane, bananas and pineapples are grown to be sold in the market. So plantation agriculture or commercial agriculture are the same. Following are the chief characteristics of feature this agriculture. It was introduced in the tropical land by European and North Americans primarily in the colonies ruled by them. Estates or plantation are of very large size, sometimes running into thousands of hectares. ये जो प्लांटेशन होती है ये लार्ज पैच ऑफ लैंड पर होती है, कई बार ये थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हेक्टेयर्स पर भी होती हैं. तो ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल एरिया the plantation agriculture requires large capital investment, managerial and technical support and scientific method of cultivation. तो इसके अंदर जो अमाउंट है वो भी ह्यूज कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, वो भी बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा. और modern agriculture or scientific methods are used in this cultivation. Cheap unskilled labor is supplied by the local people, while technical and skilled assistance comes from temperate lands. तो इसमें both types of workers or laborers, skilled and unskilled labor, skilled and unskilled labor. So both are the labor, skilled labor also as the same as the unskilled laborers are requirement. Cheap transport is required to link the estate with factories and market for exports of production. Contribution of European and American for the development of plantation agriculture can be judged to by the following facts. The earth set up cocoa and the French set up cocoa and coffee plantation in West Africa. सबसे पहले जो कोकोआ और कॉफी प्लांटेशन था ये स्टार्ट किया फ्रेंच ने, और वो भी कहाँ पर, वेस्ट अफ्रीका में. द ब्रिटिश एस्टेब्लिश्ड लार्ज टी गार्डन्स, रबर श्रीलंका, रबर प्लांटेशन इन मलेशिया, सुगर कैन बनाना प्लांटेशन इन वेस्ट इंडीज, एंड Spanish and American set up coconut and sugarcane plantation. The Dutch established sugarcane plantation in the Indonesia. So these are the countries which are introduced or plantation in their ruled country or their colonies. Plantation, some coffee fazendas, large plantation in ब्राज़ील आर स्टिल मैनेज्ड बाय यूरोपियंस. ब्राज़ील में जो बड़े बड़े फार्म हाउस हैं उनको फेजेंडास कहते हैं, और उन फेजेंडास में कॉफ़ी फेजेंडास, कॉफ़ी के वो फार्म हाउसेस हैं ब्राज़ील में. and today ownership of the majority of plantation has passed into the hands of government or the national of the countries concerned. Extensive commercial grains cultivation. Extensive commercial grains cultivation. Extensive commercial grain cultivation. Commercial grain cultivation is practiced in the interior parts of the semi-arid land of the mid-altitudes. Following are the chief characteristics features of this agriculture. Wheat is the principal crop, through other crops like corn, barley, oats and rice are also grain. So wheat is the most crops. The size of the farm is very large and often run into hundreds of hectares. ये जो एक्सटेंसिव कमर्शियल ग्रेन कल्टीवेशन है, wheat, rice, barley, corn, oats, etc. are grown, and the size of farm is very large, often run into hundreds of hectares. hundreds of hectares तक की जो लैंड है उनके ऊपर होती है. This is highly mechanized, machinized agriculture in which all operations from plugging to harvesting are done by machines. ये मॉडर्न मेथड ऑफ द फार्मिंग से यूज किए जाते हैं और इसमें जो मशीन से फुल्ली मैकेनाइज्ड जो एग्रीकल्चर है ये, एंड मशीन्स फ्रॉम प्लॉविंग टू हार्वेस्टिंग, प्लॉविंग से लेकर के हार्वेस्टिंग, ग्रो करने से लेकर के और काटने तक का काम डन बाय द मशीन्स. Since the farms are machinized and population is sparse, yield per acre is low but yield per person is high. पर एकड़ जो yield है, yield का मतलब है प्रोडक्शन, YIELD, yield means है प्रोडक्शन. तो प्रोडक्शन जो है पर यूनिट एरिया, पर एकड़ कम है पर पर्सन इज वेरी हाई. The areas of extensive commercial grain farming include the Eurasian steppes, the Canadian and American prairies, the pampas of Argentina, the velds of South Africa, the Australian downs and the Canterbury plains of New Zealand. तो इन grassland areas में ये agriculture होती है. Next is mixed farming. Mixed farming, this is the type of agriculture in which cultivation of crops and rearing of animals is done at the same time. मतलब दोनों चीजें होती हैं, कल्टीवेशन एंड द एनिमल रियरिंग, दोनों काम होते हैं, उसे कहेंगे हम मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग. मेजर क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन दिस टाइप ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर आर व्हीट, बार्ले, ओट्स, रागी, मेज, फॉडर एंड रूट क्रॉप्स. Fodder crops comprise an important component of mixed farming. Fodder crop चारे वाली क्रॉप है जो मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग का मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स है. कैसे है कि फॉडर का यूज कब होगा, जब एनिमल रियरिंग होगी, और एनिमल रियरिंग होगी, फॉडर कहाँ होंगे, एग्रीकल्चर में. तो कल्टीवेशन एंड एग्रीकल्चर, वो एनिमल रियरिंग, बोथ एक्टिविटीज आर डूइंग सेम टाइम इज कॉल्ड द मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग. Animals like cattle, sheep, pigs, poultry are the main sources of income along with crops. Soil fertility is maintained by crop rotation and intercropping. Mixed farming requires high capital investment on important items like farm, machinery and buildings, extensive use of chemical fertilizers and green manure, and also on the skill and expertise of the farmers. This type of agriculture is practiced in the highly developed parts of the world. For example, northwestern Europe, eastern North America, parts of Eurasia and the temperate latitude of southern continents are the places where the mixed farming is in practice. So, the mixed farming is the cultivation or animal rearing at the same time.